So as far as the exhaust goes, this is going to be about the simplest thing I can do because I don't have a way to bend this pipe. I have tubing benders and pipe benders, but everything I have will just crimp it and ruin it. So yeah, we're going to see how much I can do with just straight. So anyways, what we got here, as you can see, that's where the pipes are ending. And this exhaust here, it comes down right beside the oil filter. So yeah, same thing. It'll just a little elbow in there. They're slightly different angles, so each elbow's got to be cut. But anyways, a couple of mufflers right about where my head are at on either side. Should have more than enough room back here for mufflers, and I think I'm just going to turn them down and slightly out so they kind of go by the back wheel. See how it is. If it doesn't work out, it's too noisy or too many fumes or whatever, I'll take it into a muffler shop and get them to do the bends over the axle. I don't have tools to do that. Okay, so here's what I got done. I got the pipe on, I just tack welded the elbow to it, and I just got it held roughly where I want it here. I put a cable tie around, and now all I do is I slide this pipe basically where I want it, so like that. And I just look at the angle and slide the cable tie along until it mimics what I need to cut off. And I draw along around it with a marker and choppity chop chop. In theory, that should get me my angle. In practice, well, we'll see. Alright, there's the line I traced. So I'm going to chop that off and hopefully we get pretty close. Wish me luck. That looks pretty close to straight. Now, the question remains, am I out 10 bucks for an elbow that I just screwed up? Tra-la-la-la-la. Pretty close so far. Let's get a little bit up. Well, I'll tell you what, folks, it don't get much more perfecter than that. When I weld that on, I'm laughing. And I got a little bit of play here, so I still got room to go up and down. Let's get to welding. Alright, so there's my completed exhaust for, I don't know, one side or the other. I got two of those made up. Let's put them on. So I got that one just sitting in there. That's about what we're looking at. This is for the passenger side. Gotta come back a little ways to clear that transfer case. Something like that's what we're looking for. I can put a little tilt if I do it that way. I've got lots of room. I don't know if I want to go that way. Good thing about Jeeps, right? You got tons of room under here. Alright, well I just finished tightening up this pipe. Now there's no hanger bracket and there's no clamp on the muffler yet, but that'll hold itself up like that for now. Oh yeah, they tuck in there nicely. Boop, boop. I think a boop and out here right into the wheel. That way nobody can see the flames. Well folks, I'm exhausted because we have exhaust. Anyway, bad joke. That was like a dad joke. So what we got done again was about 3 feet of straight pipe. an elbow coming off of the headers, and both headers are different angles, so they had to each be cut. Some FlowMaster FX mufflers, 2 of them. And then we got these nifty little stainless elbows, and they are shooting, oh, big bad light, shooting basically out here, the front of the tire and where the leaf spring hole is. So that should just, you know, blow out through the gap here. If I need to, I'll put a little tail section on it, but I don't think I will. It'll be fine. Then it gets dispersed by the tire and the wheel well here, and goes out back and lands on the hood of a Tesla, right where it belongs. Anyway, let's fire this thing up and hear what it sounds like. I'm anxious. Oh, it's got a nice idle. Katie driving the Jeep. Is this your first time driving this?
Well,
you never drove it when it was a standard.
No.
You gotta say, it rides better than the 51 Mercury does.
Oh yeah, that thing was a nightmare kind of.
Go faster, I want to hear it transmission shift. How's it sound?